Part of the second installment, follow up with the 45 and the potential of the cartridge. We have here, we talked earlier on about making our own cast bullets. We have 3 in particular that we're going to cover in this video. On the left is the 250 grain round nose flat point. It's a Laser Cast Products bullet, 250 grain round nose flat point. Then here is a cast bullet, which I've done myself. This is out of a Lee 230 grain tumble lube mold. This cast at 240 grains. I have a proprietary moly coat system that I use, along with a lubricant to get into grooves, which works quite well. That cast bullet, it casts at 240 grains. And then we have a Rimrock 255 grain semi-wad cutter. These 2 bullets here will load at 7.5 grains of IMR 800X. The homebrewed will run at 8 grains of IMR 800X, and we'll be using CCI large pistol primers. Again, you know, looking at how the length, Kate's overall length, mag length, there's the 250 grainers. These are in metal form magazines, which years ago I was turned on to, which have not failed me. This is the Kimber stock mag that came with the gun. That has the 240 grain homebrewed bullet. And then this here is the 255 grain semi-wad cutter. Again, these it's on top of 7.5 grains of IMR 800X. Very, very potent round, right along with this one. The virtues, if you take a look at the end, the Meplat right there, the 250 grainer, set up for probably original cowboy action stuff. Smaller Meplat, meant for penetration. The 230 grain mold. Again, this casts at 240 grains. You can see a very, very nice setup for a 45 ACP. And then the bruiser. This is the 255 grain semi-wad cutter. More than likely set up for the 45 Colt, 45 Casull kind of a bullet. We're going to shoot it in this gun, and it takes this gun to a different level. And instead of a 45 ACP plus P, you're looking at 45 super territory here. Alright, we talked earlier on one of our earlier videos about doing a homebrewed type load for the 45 ACP. We've done that. Right here we have cast a 240 grain truncated cone setup. I have my own lubricant that I use on this. Size it, the mold casts them at 454. I size them down to 452 with the lubricant on them. It's a tumble lube setup. Chronograph's not working. We're still going to shoot them anyways. This is on top of 8 grains of IMR 800X with a CCI primer and Winchester brass. .140 grain bullets. Was shooting with the red dot, holding dead center on the steel target. Out of the 5 rounds we shot, all 5 went underneath the target. A lot of dirt kicked up underneath it. We'll follow up with that on another video, on a separate own video, where I manufacture the bullets, load them up, and we'll go ahead and shoot them on a steel target with a follow-up video. I apologize for that. Alright, 250 grain round nose flat point, 7.5 grains IMR 800X, CCI primers. We'll shoot here at 25 yards. Couple impacts here, there, here. Opened it up a little bit, still on the target. We'll go ahead and get the 255 grainers, give them a try. The 255 grain semi-wad cutters, Rimrock bullet, on top of 7.5 grains of IMR 800X. Bullets all hitting low. Off to the side right here. Need to get the red dot worked in a little bit. I'm aiming clear up here with the red dot. Hitting clear down here. I really don't want to change the sight. It's sighted in for my 230 grain full metal jackets, which is what I carry in that gun.